You should never stick your fingers into the whisk when it's plugged in. I'm supposed to see what's going on. You stop putting your bowl in front of the camera.
You are stifling the process.
Look at all the goodness, huh? Cocoa, brown sugar, another brown sugar, chocolate, eggs and baking powders and salts and stuff. Yogurt, I think.
You and your noises.
Oh, there you
I would have done it by now. Salty walty.
Maybe I'll put it through something.
And bicarb and baking.
Bicarb and baking. One is activated by heat, one is activated by acid.
When this happens, help ourselves.
Make a lot of honking noises.
Now the salt is
Get them all into one corner and then just do one smush.
Yeah, the challenge is that they kind of run. Okay, that's it. I'm not gonna fiddle more with it.
They love to see this kind of mixing. And if you mix it too quickly and you send cocoa powder flying into the air and oversized, I'll just put it in one of those like boom bump noises.
Now you're gonna be making sneezy noises.
Mm-hmm.
Some of us have very delicate noises. Now sugars go in.
I want to see what's going on, so you can wait, just stop. There you go, that's better. Just wait until I get into the shot before you start doing it, okay? Where's that shadow coming from? Because I can't see shit without them. Because I don't have my normal lights plugged in.
Homogeneous. Sour cream.
Oh, sour cream, yeah.
Vanilla.
Vanilla essence. You keep turning it away from the camera.
Such a devil.
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Now it's going to make noise.
Yeah, that's okay.
You can just.
No, it's not too bad. Well, maybe. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Looks gorgeous.
Hang on.
Hey, the stuff around the edges. Isn't that funny?
Yeah. Maybe I'm not using the right.
I think the whisk itself is a bit bent.
I think that's it. I'm not gonna whisk it anymore.
Yeah.
Make it tough.
Right, that's great. Yeah. Buttered dish. Beautifully poured. Preheated oven. Oh, careful there now.
180.
Didn't catch the edge of that, huh? 180, top and bottom, middle shelf. So this has just come out of the oven, right? Do the jiggle jiggle.
I did the jiggle jiggle.
Oh, look at that. Nice. And you've already stuck a skewer into it.
Yeah.
It came out cleanly.
Yeah.
To check it was done.
Absolutely
Okay.
cleanly, yes. So
You taking the camera would like to see. The audience are curious about this kind of stuff.
I.
Like if you're gonna poke stuff, it's important. Yeah.
This is scary. Oh my god, it's going to break.
Yeah, hang on a second.
Hang on. Okay.
Just slide it. Don't try and lift, just slide. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, push it. Push. Okay.
I don't want
I
to
hope,
damage it.
I hope it doesn't have a saggy bottom going through it.
Okay, hang on.
Got that trip at AliExpress, by the way. Totally recommend it. Beautiful cake's gonna sit here for a while.
Yes.
Gonna let it cool down.
We're gonna cover it with something so that.
The flies don't turn her into their dessert.
What flies?
Oh yeah, we don't have a fly
We
problem
don't
in
have.
the middle of summer.
We do not have the Swiss Air Force developed. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll cut. I'll probably stop recording. Okay. We're trying to maintain a uniform height. From here to here, okay?
Yeah.
And we just basically go across.
It's a Fudge cake, so it's a little bit more moist and hard to work with. But you're doing a very good job.
Just slowly rotate. And hopefully we meet up on the other side. Okay. It is heavy. I can feel it. It's heavy.
Yeah.
Chocolate into the microwave oven for a few minutes on low. For maybe 2 minutes, and we'll check and we'll see how that is doing shortly. After a few minutes in the microwave oven, it should look like this. Resist the temptation to overdo it in the microwave oven. You've got enough heat in here already. Just move these pieces around and let the already warm chocolate melt the bigger unmelted pieces. And resist the temptation to lick the spoon. Big doll.
Actually, more than enough here. not a professional. What is so funny? Look, I've done it.
Beautiful.
Should have put some more in the middle. And let's mix it up with diamond dust as well.
Perfect. Wow, well done.
Jesus Christ.
Cat runs off.
The cat took for the hills. And then I want the plates just for the principle of it. Oh, shit, that's mine.
You can talk, but it has to be 150% normal person. See all the go. Oh, it looks delicious.
It's chunky.
Chunky cake. Chunky chocolate cake. That looks amazing.
Chunky.
Chunk.
Can that one be mine because it has like all the gold stars?
Beautiful. Juicy. Juicy, juicy, juicy.
It's really moist.
Look at that beautiful cake. Isn't that delicious? Let's try it. Mmm.
Okay.
It's nice and light. That frosting
And moist.
is really light.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Imagine when it chews properly.
Would you chill it down, yeah?
Mm-hmm. No.
It's super light. The stuff on the edge, the brownie batter or brownie mixture on the edge, it's got a little bit more bite to it. It's really nice, kind of contrast flavors or texture.
Did yourself, mother?
Have a drink of tea. Is this my tea?
Yeah. You can take a picture of the inside of the cake.
Yeah. Delicious.
Yes. No. Why are you drinking from the child's
This is
tea?
blue, that's for a boy, and this was in front of me. I just moved it out of the way. Nigella Lawson knows what she's doing, huh? You cooked a good cake. Well done. It's really nice.
Thank you, Mama.
It's perfectly cooked and prepared. That was a delicious cake.